Yeah, what's up everybody? Trust you guys are doing good. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys I will take you out to do a very simple solo, okay? How to solo. Okay, I have a current work I'm working on here. You see this might be this is my keyboard work. Let me solo this so that you hear it. Okay? That is my piano. Then this side should be my string. Okay, why this should be that is my bass line. Why this is for my sax. Okay, so let's hear everything together. Let me play everything so that you hear it. Okay. That's great. Okay, so that's okay. So what we want to learn there is we want to learn how to solo. Yes, as a beginner, how to solo. Okay, let me off the saxophone here. Let me off it here. Now hear the beat. Let's assume you're in the studio and someone's singing, and you have to be. Sorry. Let me mute it rather. Okay. So let's play it now. Okay, and they're like solo something on top. Okay, so this is what you're going to do basically. Just first thing to do is to find the progression of that song. Find the progression. What is the progression like? Okay, so if I'm to play it now, we have to find it first. That is G, F, that is G again, F. You can see, so that is everything about the song. So once you know the progression, then form your solo around it, okay? So you know the progression. So it's just G, F, E, and that is just where they're playing around. Okay, so that is where I formed that solo from. That I was doing solo, but let's now try and do something different. Let's try and create another new thing from it. Let's assume the person is like, I don't like what you play something different again. Okay, let's give it a try. That is one rough idea about it, because I already know I'm playing around from G, so I can do. Because I know it's G, F, E, so I can play any circle within G, B, E, F, A, C. You understand? Within the chord circle. Because if I play F, this is it. If I play G, this is it. If I play E, so I can play anything within all this range. This range, anything within this range, it will definitely enter. So it's just all about your timing, not the way to just play around with that circle. So let's go again and try something different. Understand? So it's just all about playing around with it. Just play, you get it. Okay, the main thing, know the starting point and know the landing point. So thank you so much. See you at the other side of the video.